Hey everyone, what's going on? Today's video, show you guys how to pair the Plantronics Explorer 500 Bluetooth headset with a iPhone 7 Plus. And of course, it'll work the same for the iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, and the 8 Plus as well. So let's get started. And basically what we want to do first is get the headset into pairing mode. So to do this, we'll first turn it on. This switch here is the on and off switch. We'll flip it up like that. You'll notice that green that shows, which means it's now on. And you'll also notice the blue light that lights up to indicate that it's on. Now after that, what we're going to do now is hold down right here. We're going to hold it down for like maybe 4 seconds or so until we see blue-red blinking light. So we'll hold it down and remain holding it down until this. Now when you see this, let it go. It means the headset is now in a pairing state, and that's what we want it to do because we're first time setting it up. So we'll go to settings now on our iPhone Plus. We'll go to where it says Bluetooth, and then we'll go ahead and turn that on. And it will start searching for nearby devices and just wait for PLT E500 to show up, that right there. So when you see it, tap it one time, it will connect for you automatically. It'll say connected, and you'll notice the blue-red lights are no longer flashing. And of course, once it says connected, it means you are connected, fully ready to use. And if this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you.